Yeah.
All right, real good. Let's start. Now, the first thing you guys have to do is we've started. The first thing you have to do, I'm just going to go over what we did yesterday. So, if you are having issues setting up your database, you should listen as closely as possible. But first of all, let me deal with the issue of XAMPP. Most people are having the issue of PORT with their XAMPP. Some other persons are having the issue of installing Visual Studio. So I noticed that when you try to install Visual Studio, you are having another error. This 0x8024 unknown error or something like that, unspecified error, right? This is what I want to tell you about that. When you face any error at all, any error, all you have to do is to look for the error code or whatever it is telling you. Just go to Google and type exactly those words, type it on Google and see what people have to say. But what helps the most is you just going to YouTube, right? A lot of Indian guys are amazing. They are God sent. In fact, I like Indian guys. They've already made tutorial video of how to solve that issue, step by step tutorial video. Just go there and type that error code or type whatever it is, the error you are getting. Just type it right there. So that okay, so that you can just follow the steps and then it should be all good. So I want to assume that everyone on this call is not having issues with their XAMPP. So I'm going to continue right from there, right? And as usual, if you have any question or you want to say anything, please let's keep our microphones muted, right? If you have any questions and you want to say anything, just raise your hand and then I will attend to you, right? Yeah, let's get right into it. I'll be sharing my screen very soon. I'll be sharing my screen very soon, right? Hope you guys can see my screen now. All right. If you can see my screen, please raise your hand. If you can see my screen, just raise your hand. All right, let's go. All right, very good, very good. Now let's proceed. All right, let's proceed. Now, just go ahead. Of course, before you do anything, you have to start your XAMPP. Start your XAMPP. Start Apache and start MySQL. If both of them are successfully started, then you don't have any issue. Everything will work as they should. Go ahead and open your browser. All right. I'm going over how to set up your database. So after you open your browser, what you need to do is to type localhost slash php my admin. PHP my admin. All right. Olubayo Tope, are you on this call? Is Olubayo Tope on this call? Please, if you are on this call, raise up your hand now. Is Olubayo Tope on this call? Tope, are you on this call? Okay, I don't think he is. All right, let's proceed. Now you should get to somewhere like this. All right. When you get to somewhere like this, what you need to do, see, this thing is very simple. All you have to do is to understand what you are doing. If you understand what you are doing, then the processes will be stuck in your head. You will know what you are doing. What we are doing is that when we are creating our website, remember you are going to upload photos, you are going to upload pictures, you are going to write text. You need to save those somewhere. All right. Database. Just look at database as some sort of memory engine. You understand, as some sort of memory engine where you can save stuffs. So we are going to need to upload pictures, upload this, upload that on WordPress. So we have to set up memory where it's going to save all those. That is why PHP my admin. That is where we are in PHP and my admin, and we are using my SQL memory. We are using my SQL database. My SQL is a database. Remember when we were starting our XAMPP, we started Apache. Apache is a local server engine. My SQL is a database engine. Do you understand? So, so let's continue. Now, all you need to do when you get here is click on new. You are creating a new database. All right. Let me walk you through what I have here. I have allotimers, corporate cleaners, gallery, information, whatever, whatever, and all these. Okay. Do I have a new person? Sorry, wait. I think someone is in the lobby. Let me try and get them in. All right. They're not in the lobby. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. So, Olu to DMSQ, whatever, photo gallery, my PHP, my admin test, and all. These are databases for the previous project I've done. Some of the previous projects I've done on my local, right? So this is the one I created yesterday. I'm going to create a new one. Now, after you click on new, you should get this space and then put your database name, whatever. Let's say the new project you want to do, WP Cake World. Do you understand? I'm still going to delete this database because I don't need it. So create. Maybe after you finish creating this database, you should land at this place that asks you to create a new table. But don't create any table. You don't need to create any table, right? Just come to this top bar right here and click on privileges. What we are doing is that we are assigning a user to this new database that we just created. Do you understand? We are assigning a new user to this database we just created, right? Now, the thing is that it's as if you are giving a key to unlock a room. You have a database. We don't just want anybody to just go there and start looking at our stuffs. We have to assign a gatekeeper, someone that has access to this database. That's why we are creating a new user for for the database, just like your computer. When you want to log into your laptop, it will ask you for your database. It will ask you for your password, right? It will ask you for your password. Now that is exactly what we are doing here. We are creating a new user. Just click on privileges. When you click on privileges, you are going to see some of the ones that are previously there. What you just have to do is to come to this part and click on add new user. When you add new user, all you need to do is to put your username. Put your username. Your username will be whatever your username is. Um, Cake dude, please, but whatever you are putting here, make sure you remember them because that's what you're going to use to sign in into your WordPress. And then go ahead and change to local. Host name should be local, and then set a password. Set That's not correct. Right after you set your password, scroll down and come here. Make sure grant all privileges is checked, and then global privileges check all. After you check all here, just scroll down and click on go. All right, just scroll down and click on go. Maybe after you click on go, you have already added a new user. You already added a new user. The user parameters in which you enter, cake dude, your password, your whatever, and then your database name, everything. So you are going to go back to, okay, before that, before that, gone to, you would have gone to your XAMPP folder. You'd have gone to your XAMPP folder and then htdocs, open a new folder, my new website. Let's say my new website. What should I call it? Cake Dude. That's the name of my new website, right? Your WordPress. This is your WordPress, whatever. Come here and then extract it. After you extract it, you get your WordPress. You get your WordPress folder. All right. This is how you extract. Come here, left click on it and click on extract to this. Do you understand? After the extraction is done, after the extraction is done, you are going to go ahead and go into that folder and copy everything that is there. Copy everything that is there and come back to htdocs, your new created folder, open it and then paste it right there. All right. Well, why is this taking a while? I don't know why it's taking a while. Okay, are you raising your hand? Okay, so if you are raising your hand, please just go ahead and unmute your microphone and talk to me.
Okay, boss. Evening. This is Aditola.
Okay.
So please, if I want to delete like probably a profile that I've created in this, what's it called, my PHP admin, how do I delete?
Okay, a profile you have created, like a database you have
Yeah.
created, you want to delete it.
Yes. Yes. How do I delete?
Okay, you want to drop your database.
Yes.
Yeah. They call it dropping of
I just
database.
created a new one.
Okay. You know what? I would advise you not to drop database anyhow. If you drop the database, whatever it is you are doing, everything is gone. Whatever it is you've done on that database, everything is gone. Do you understand? Do you get that?
Okay.
Like what I mean is that if you have a PHP project running, okay. If you have a project running on that database, like you've already connected it to a a WordPress account and you delete that database, everything is gone. Do you understand? So,
Yeah, I get you.
but if you now insist that you don't need it, you want to remove that database, no problem. All you need to do, okay, let's see. All you need to do is to select that that database will be listed here. Do you see where my cursor is?
Yes, I can. Yes.
All you just need to do is to go on that database. All right, click that
Yes.
database. You will see one very small thing like this small box close to that database. Just go ahead and click it. All right.
Okay.
When you click it, you will get here. Do you understand?
Okay.
Or if you can't get there, just click on that database. Make sure you are in that database.
No, I'm there. I'm there. Where you are, I'm there. The former place.
Let me just tell you a better way to get it. When you're already in that database, just come over here to operations. When you get to operations, all right, you are going to see this drop database. Drop database. When you click on drop database, you will delete the database. All right. Dropping in MySQL means deleting. So when you drop a database, it means you delete everything.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Thank you. I've been able to do it.
But me, I will not drop this database.
I have a question too.
Okay, go ahead, please.
When you extract the WordPress file, is it compulsory that must you extract it into that XAMPP folder?
Yes, it is very important for you to extract it into the XAMPP folder, into the htdocs folder. Do you understand? Remember, I told you that when you type localhost is pointing directly to that htdocs folder slash the cake dude. So if I should go over now and I should do localhost slash cake dude, right?
Okay.
If I should do localhost slash cake dude, it will load for a while because it's a new
Okay. The thing is, I extracted the file into another folder, but I just copied it to this XAMPP. Is it also the same thing?
I don't get that question.
I said I formally extracted.
You guys use your laptop, not phone. Are you messing a laptop now teaching in class right now?
I didn't hear you.
I don't get it. So okay, here's the thing. After you extract your WordPress, just copy all the contents of that WordPress and go and paste it inside the folder of your website.
Okay, I get it.
You understand? So from here, click on continue, and then this is where you set up all the database parameters. All right, just
wait, please. Hold up. So where we were under that user account, I'm seeing after putting the password and localhost for host name, there's somewhere that the database for user account. So create database with name, amount of privilege. Should I check all those three?
Yes. Check everything. Check. You will see global privilege. Check all. Just check everything.
Okay.
After you check everything, you can go.
Then press on go. Okay. All right.
So Hey, wait, what was the name of my database? Please remind me.
Cake dude now, I think.
Cake dude. Yeah.
Oh no, Cake Dude is the username. The name of the database. Go. Let me see.
Cake World. I think it's Cake
Hello,
World.
WP Cake World. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. WP
hello.
_ Cake World. Yes.
Yeah.
All right.
I have a question.
How do you feel?
Oh, okay. Are you saying that that user account something is the one I'm supposed to put there?
Exactly.
The database name.
Exactly. No. Database name is the name of the database you created. Do you understand? That's the name of. That's kind of like the name of the memory card. The username and the password is like the user that you set for that particular database.
Okay.
Hello.
Do you understand?
Hello.
I can hear you. Talk to me.
Yeah, please. For this new project, are we to extract WordPress again?
Yes. If you want to create as much project as possible, all you just have to do is to keep extracting and keep going through that same process. You can create as much website as possible on your local.
That means I need to go back to my download and copy WordPress and
That same WordPress, extract. After extract, copy, do the same thing over and over again, and then you are going to keep ending.
It's a long journey now.
Oh, okay. Now it's not really a long journey, right? Here's the thing. You know that yesterday we were working on a website, right? After you are done with that website, let's say you want to work on another website. All you just have to do is to go through that same process to set up a new website environment for yourself to work on. Do you understand?
Okay.
I think it's a good thing.
Yeah.
I think it's a good thing, which means you can work on as much website as possible. All right.
Like
all right.
Copying a new WordPress, that is automatically replacing the former one.
No, you don't need to replace the former one.
No, you're not going to replace it.
Let me show you something. This is my htdocs, right? Let me show you. This was the one I created yesterday, Cake World. This was the one I created yesterday, right? This is the one I created now, Cake Dude. Do you understand? Yeah. And then this was another one, I think. This was another one I was working on a while ago. And this was another one I was working on. Let me see. Where is it? Okay, WP Laundry. This was another one I was working on. As much as possible. I have lots and lots and lots of them like that. Do you understand?
Yeah. I'm asking because I'm having problem creating a new folder.
You're having problem creating a new folder?
Yes.
Really? Just click on new folder and create new.
When I click new folder, it's telling me it's giving issues.
I don't understand.
Like it's telling me location.
It's telling you location what?
Location not available. Say new folder is unavailable. If the location is on this PC, make sure the device or drives is connected or the disk is inserted.
No, that is not. That might have to be a special issue with your computer, but you shouldn't have problem. If do you see where I am now? XAMPP, enter htdocs. When you get to htdocs, create new folder and then name your folder. All right, that might have to be an issue with your computer, but you should not have that kind of issue. This is another one, Gifty Cake. Okay, I don't have anything in Gifty Cake. So let's continue, guys. Now put your whatever and then click on submit. So all right, Sparky, run installation. After you run installation, then you need to provide your site title. New Cake Dude, and your username. What was the username? What is the username you want to use? Big Sam, and the password you want to start using. The password you want to use, and confirm the use of Wikika password, and your email. Put your email. Then after you are done, search engine visibility. Don't click this. It means discourage search engine from indexing this site. It means when people search for you online, they won't see you. Don't click it. Run installation. So after you run installation, it will take a while. It will take a while. It will take a while, and then you should be right. You should be right there. All right. While that is still loading, I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the one we were working on yesterday, localhost cake world. All right. So it's done. It's already done. Just click on login. So when you click on login, just put in your login parameters, the one you just set now.
Sorry, for me, I got an error.
Error.
It
What
told
kind of error?
me one or more database tables are unavailable. Database may need to be repaired.
Sorry, repeat that.
One or more database are unavailable. Database may need to be repaired.
Oh, database may need to be repaired.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Is your MySQL on?
Yes. Can you see my screen?
If your MySQL, oh, okay. This meeting will end in 10 minutes, guys. I'm running out of time. Do you understand? I might have to. If this meeting runs out now and it locks everybody out, I will immediately create another meeting link and send it to you guys so that we can join again. Do you understand?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Okay, so we have 10 minutes more. After 10 minutes, it will log us out, and then we might have to start again. I will start a new meeting and then send the link to the WhatsApp group so that we can all rejoin. All right, let's continue. So you know what? This is what I'm going to advise you. This is what I'm going to advise you. Delete that database and start all over again. All right, start all over again and make sure you don't make any mistake. Do you understand? Okay. So log in. So if you log in, you should get there. And then, okay, so this was where we were yesterday. So guys, I hope everybody is here with me now. So if you follow today's lecture and the video I dropped yesterday, you should be able to know how to get here. All right, you should be able to get here. So if you are here, just come over here and then go to customize. Let's continue from where we stopped yesterday. Go to customize. Okay, it's already 9 o'clock. I should be having a meeting now. I should be having another meeting now, but then we can still take extra 20-30 minutes. All right. Oh, and then I want to tell you guys about my partnership with Olotu Square. All right, we have actually created something beautiful that can help everyone. So I think I will just go ahead and share that on the WhatsApp group. Do you understand? I will go ahead and share that on the WhatsApp group. So let's just concentrate on the lectures today. So I think we've done site and identity yesterday. We've done colors, but there's something I want to show you guys before we proceed. Let me see. Page settings. Okay, what's going on? Someone. Okay. Ayinde Akindele. Okay. He said he's totally lost, and if there is a way, I can find a way for him to catch up. Okay, now here is the thing, Mr. Akindele. All right, this video is recorded, and yesterday's video was recorded too. I've already dropped the YouTube link for yesterday's video, so you can use today's video and yesterday's video. When you watch them together, you'll be able to get right to where we are. Do you understand? You'll be able to get to right to where we are, so you don't have issue. Right? You don't have issue. Please let me know if you get that, Mr. Akindele. Just raise up your hand if you get that. Okay. So, okay. Edda, also Edda. Edda Media. No, not Edda Media. General. Edda Style. Okay. Minimal, transparent. This is the header. It depends on how you want to make it. So if you want a transparent header, let me show you. You can click on transparent header. Transparent header means this header right here will be transparent. It will not have color. All right. If you guys see Nova University's header, you will see that it is kind of transparent. Check this out. You see that it is transparent, but then I added a little bit of darkness. So that's it. All right. Now this is a transparent header. Right?
Network is breaking.
Oh, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me now? Please let me know if you can hear me.
Sorry, your network is shaking.
Oh God. What's going on here? All right. Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
Last 5 minutes left.
You guys hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can I hear you, but network is bad.
But it's a bit, the network is a bit hazy.
Let's go.
When they come.
Nah, so I go do like yesterday.
Hello, can you guys see me?
Make we go group chat, go check the new link, I beg.
Yeah, una they hear
It's
me?
calling you.
Hello? I don't die. Hello? Hello?
We can hear you, but network is terrible.
The network is bad.
Oh, okay. You know what? Let's start a new meeting. Let's
Network
start
is
a new meeting.
terrible.
We are hearing you.
Okay, let's start a new meeting. If this thing will go off now, let's start a new meeting. All right, guys, we can.
Okay.
Yeah, let's start a new meeting. I will send the link now.
All right.